Okay, I think I'm live now, so let me get started. Alright guys, so welcome to this module. So this is the end of I believe you have gone through the free training, you've seen the right videos, you can work the right niche, you can actually go into and start investing your time into it and then making money, and then growing your business, and then you as well getting better in what you do. So if you have not left a feedback on those training, on your experience along the line, please just go back to the previous lesson, which is your feedback, and then please I'd appreciate to see your feedback. So please give your feedback. So once you are done on that, you should be here by now where you are right now. So it's time for you to start making money. Remember I told you online modeling income is a kind of a two-phase platform. So one is a learning platform. You're going to be learning lots of things. Everything doesn't stop at this free expert training. We're going to be having series of training inside the group, advanced training inside the group, and that's where you're going to start building your way to passive income. So if you take this seriously, you put in you actually focus on this, you can make a lot of money, you can make a lot of profits on this, and you can gain a lot from this platform. So right now we're moving into the second phase now, which is the time for you to start making money via our platform. So we have done everything in place for you to start making real money. We're going to send money to your account, to your bank account. We're going to send that over and over and over again for as much as you want. So what you need to do is very, very simple. We want you to partner with us, so you will help us to invite people, as many people as you can, invite them to our community, to Online Monthly Income community. So once you invite them in, we are going to pay you for that. Yes, we're going to pay you doing just that. So it's very, very simple. It's like a referral program. So you go ahead, and then we are going to give you a custom link here. You have your own special link, and then you'll be able to use that link to invite people. So if you are inviting, assuming you invite about 100 people to our platform, so those 100 people, you have a chance for making money from those 100 sets of people, and you can continue earning from them for a very long time, for a very, very long time. I don't want to say for life or for life. No, nothing lasts forever. So I'm just going to say for a very long time, you can continue earning. If it's just one person you refer to our platform, you can always continue to earn over and over and over again from just that one person. So what you need to do right now is you're going to see a link under this video, a green link. You can see this link right here. Just click on the link. So once you click on the link, it's going to take you to so you can get your own affiliate link, your own referral link. So it's going to bring you right on this page. So once you get on this page, please, I don't want you to waste time. Please don't. In fact, once you can access this, once you're done with the training, don't waste time. The earlier you do, the better for you, because I don't know how to put it. It's actually a big thing. It's a very, very big thing that can put you in real money, big money, if you are very fast, if you're an action taker. So so once you get to this page right here, this is where you go to get your affiliate link. So you just click here to get your affiliate link. So you have to pay just a one-time payment of just 5,100 naira. Now this price might actually change later on. Yes, for some reasons, maybe later on I want to disclose that, but it might increase. But for now, we are starting with 5,100 naira. So if the traffic is too much, if people are coming in too much, so we might actually need to up the price. But for now, we are starting at 5,100 naira. So let me just quickly brief you on about this, why you're paying for this. Remember I told you we want to pay you referring people to our platform. So we're going to send the commissions over and over again, just inviting people to come and watch our free expert training videos, and also even the advanced trainings we'll be doing inside our group. So your own is just to invite people, invite like 50, 100, 200, 1,000, 5,000. Honestly, you can just focus on doing just this thing. Just focus your time, your energy every day, just inviting people to our platform, because the rewards will be very, very massive. So we've not launched yet, so I don't have any testimony, any proof to show inside right there. So probably once we go live, I'll start putting the testimonials there. So now, basically, let me give an overview of how this works. So this number one is, how does this system work? How does this referral program work? So it's very simple. You're going to make a one-time payment of just 5,000 naira only, and then you get access to your own customized affiliates dashboard area, your own affiliate dashboard, so you can track all your referrals and know how much you'll be making, how much you'll be earning, just bringing people to our platform. So number two, also okay, how are you going to get paid? It's very simple. You're going to send your money to your bank account. So I'm going to show you, I'll show you in the next series of videos how, okay, once you get inside, you get step-by-step video how you can provide provide your bank details, your account number, your name. I think that's just a basic thing, and then so you get your money within, yes, the payments will be within Monday to Friday. So everything is all set to go, everything is set to go. So number three now is how much are you going to earn? Yes, remember we have put a starting price of 5,000 naira for people who upgrade their account. So they're going to pay 5,000 naira. So once they pay 5k, you're going to earn a flat fee of 3,000 naira. I think that's more than 50% commission. So you're earning over 50% commission. So you're going to earn 3,000 naira per person who upgrades the accounts that you invite to the group. Yeah, it's just as simple as that. So imagine you invite, let's say, 20 people. Imagine you invite 20 people to the platform, and from those 20 people that you invite, let's say just 5 people go ahead and upgrade their accounts to get their own link as well. So that means you should have earned about 15k already. But the thing is, you can invite, and it's very easy because I've done I'm going to give you everything you need. I'll be giving you guys the swipes, the email messages, the ad stuff. Everything you're going to need will be provided for you to, actually get as many people joining online monthly income through you. So imagine you get, let's say, 500 people, 1,000 people, or 2,000 people joining through your link. Honestly, you're not just going to earn from making money from their upgrade fee when they upgrade their accounts, but you will still earn more and more when they buy products inside our community, because we will be bringing out a lot of experts to come and teach us how to do business online and how to profit massively online. So you're going to get all of that there. So it's a whole huge thing that you're going to make profits in. So how long do I keep earning? Yes, that's another question that's very important I need to mention. You're not just going to earn referring people to our platform. You're going to earn, as long as people remain in the community and then they keep buying products, because once they are inside the community, they are attached to you as the person who referred them, who brought them into the platform. So whatever action they make in the platform, whatever purchase they make, whatever thing they buy, you are going to get a commission on that. So imagine we keep doing that week after week, training series, courses, and then they keep on buying and buying. So, and from just one person, you can go ahead and be earning as much, that you cannot quantify. So I don't want you to waste time on this. Please don't waste time on this page at all. Don't waste time. Just go ahead, click on the link, any of the link on this page. So click on the link and then go and make your payment. So once you make your payment, it's going to bring you right here. You can pay via FaceTag. Just enter your name. Please use the name you use to register for your membership sites. Yes, the same details you use to register for your membership sites. Use the same details, your name and then your email address. So let me just use this. And your Gmail. Okay, sorry, that's my last name. Let me. What's that? Okay, so yeah, I'm going to put my son in here, John Anavi. So then your phone number, include your phone number 005-909-2121. That's my business line. So so then you can now go ahead and then click on pay. At the moment, you cannot accept manual transfer because it's going to be hectic for us. So we want everything to be done online. If you don't know how to make payments online, please maybe I'll try and look for a video on how to make payments online. So it's just, as you can see, simple. You can pay with your card. Just enter your card details, the 12-digit key and digit number in the front of your card. Just enter it here. The expiry date on your card, then the 3 digits at the back of your card, you enter it here. Then you go ahead and pay. Then you'll be instructed to enter your PIN code and then you make your payments. So once you make your payments, okay, before. All right, so you can also go with bank. Okay, with transfer, yes, I've done bank. So the next one, you can go with transfer. So you can use a transfer. So you'll be assigned a bank to pay to. So you can just pay to this bank, and then your money, you can, let's say this account expires in 29 minutes and can only be used for this transaction. So you can also use method and pay. So once you pay instantly, once you make a transfer to this account number that they're giving to you, then your payment will be successful. You can also use USSD short code. So you just choose a bank that you have, or that choose your bank, choose your own bank to start the payment. So any of these options that you get on your own screen, you can use, and then you make the transfer. So it's very important that you actually just choose the bank that fits you, that you have, and then make transfer with them. So once your payment is successful, so what you need to do is you actually be directed automatically to this place. So you directed to a page which is right here. I've removed the link. This is not the actual link, so I don't want to show the complete page for some reason. So you'll be directed here. This is where you have to sign up. You have to sign up for your own affiliates dashboard area. So just two things is very important. Remember, I want to send you commission, so you want to make sure you don't make mistake on this page. So what you need to do is just enter your name right here, and then enter your email address. Yes, the email address that you are using, the same email that you use to open your account right here. Yes, the same email you use for your free membership sites. So it's the same you're going to use to register for your affiliates account, your affiliate dashboard area. So just go ahead and then click on your name here, and then your email address right there. It's very, very important. So please use the same email address you use to register for your free training account. So once you are done with that, just click on set up my affiliate account. So once you immediately click on set up my affiliate account, you'll be directed to your affiliate dashboard area, and that's what I'm going to show you in the next video, how to now optimize your account and do everything. So I'm going to see you in the next video right now. So please don't waste time on this. Go ahead and get your own affiliate link right now. Go and get your own referral link. It's just 5,000 right now. Once you get you get your link, you can promote anywhere. I'm going to show you how to promote, how to get people to sign up under you, and I'm going to give you everything, because people are going to rush you, they're going to flock you. Your own is just get your link now and be fast. Go and start getting people to join through you. If you get just 10 persons and 2 people get sign up and then upgrade their accounts, in fact all of them are going to upgrade their accounts. They are going to upgrade their accounts. So imagine you bring in 10 people and those 10 go on to upgrade their accounts. That's 30,000 naira pure profit for you, and that's just the beginning. If these 10 persons go on to start buying products we are promoting on our platform inside our community, we're going to send you commissions over and over and over again. So don't waste time on this. I want you to go ahead right now. Just make your purchase of just 5,000 right now, and then you get access to your own affiliate dashboard area. So once you make your payments, you instantly, you don't need to do anything. You'll be directed, once your payment is successful, you'll be directed straight to the welcome partner program section, which is, you can see the second option where you begin to start making money. So you'll be welcome here to where we'll show you everything what you need to do to optimize your account and set your account ready to start making money. I will be ready. I'll be sending commissions your way, even if it's midnight, 2 a.m. In fact, I do that a lot. I'm going to send your commissions at midnight. So when you wake up in the day, you'll be waking up to real money. So imagine if you get 5 people, 10 people to this platform and they go on to upgrade. Now imagine if you bring 100 persons, 200, 300, 1,000 persons. Honestly, you can be in big, massive money on just this. So this is just one way we have putting our time to make sure you profit while you are making money on our platform. So please go ahead right now. Don't waste time. Someone you are meant to bring in, don't let someone else bring the person inside. Make sure you are the one bringing as many people as you can inside the platform. So thank you very much for watching this video. I'm going to see you in the next lesson where I begin to walk you through how you can register your own affiliates, how you can get your affiliate link and then every other thing that you're going to need to start profiting massively from online monthly income. So thank you very much. Go now, go. Don't waste time. Don't waste time. Be the one to refer as many people as you can. So I can't wait to start seeing you, to start sending money to you, and then start just mingling together and appreciating one another. So thank you. I'm going to see you guys. I'm going to see you in the next inside the next module where we start making money. Thank you and bye bye.